Hi guys, it's D-Man here. Welcome back to another Pokemon card video. Today we're, like in the last video, we're gonna be
opening T-Mart's
yeah.
Pokemon cards.
Well, he got the one where it's like Pikachu Libre versus Suicune. They're both hollows.
And then we got the Legendary Birds.
Yeah, two of them. So we're gonna be going over these first.
This cost me $65. Wow, T-Mart, that's a lot.
Why would you? Okay.
T-Mart, get in the video.
Okay. We're gonna go over Pikachu Libre because that's like the newest Pokemon. Pikachu Libre Hollow, Electric Energy, Electric, a Glanmeow. That's a Blitzel, Electivire, a Purgly. These are confusing. That's a Electabuzz, Manectric,
Electabuzz,
Potion, Tierno, Purgly, Electric Energy, then a Fletchling, that came out of nowhere. Electabuzz again. Ooh, another Pikachu Libre. A Manectric, a Blitzel, Electric, Energy, then it's Halo, Energy, Electivire, Energy, and Glanmeow. That was the Pikachu Libre deck.
Two Pikachu Libres. Two.
Now we'll go over the Suicune.
Who's Suicune?
You don't know this? Oh my gosh, never mind. You'll see it later. Suicune Hollow, and it's probably going to be like the same. Suicune Hollow, Tierno, Energy, Swanna, Goldeen, a Seaking, a Ducklet, I think. Yeah, Ducklet, a Brokey, Water Energy, Raw Gator, Tierno, Energy, Swanna, Energy, Piplup, Potion. Ooh, another Suicune. A Goldeen, Seaking, Brokey, a Water Energy, Ducklet, Raw Gator, Water Energy, Eevee, Water Energy, and Water Energy. That's all for the Suicune.
That's a good pack, T-Mart. Okay, I will now open Zapdos.
The Zapdos.
It comes at the front. It shows two Zapdos EXs, a coin, and a Jolteon. Yeah,
Plasma.
There's a coin, T-Mart. T-Mart, there's a coin. Pikachu coin. Pikachu coin.
So yeah, it comes with two Zapdoses EX. If you don't know what that is, it's Plasma.
And then there's also a Jolteon.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open this. Who opened a pack that had this? That was the pack with the Pikachu Libre. Okay. And you guys forgot.
T-Mart will get started on the Articuno pack. Right, T-Mart?
Yeah. Open these cards.
Forgot to mention, in the last video, we pulled some pretty nice pulls. Yeah.
Especially that Espeon, because I pulled it.
Yeah.
All this
Cash helped me.
All this trash.
Again, Cash, T-Mart, and G-Man.
Help me with this, G-Man.
Okay. This is a Vaporeon.
Okay, I'll start.
Two Articuno's Plasma, and another of the cool Plasma coin.
Oh, dude, you're gonna be able to.
Two of these.
T-Mart, you're gonna be able to level up your Pikachu Libre a lot because there's a lot of energies in there and a lot of energies right here.
Oh yeah.
Let me just look through them real quick and then I'll show you them. Okay. Then here is
Arcuno
these are some
pack.
good cards. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, that's a Giratina.
Wait,
Okay.
is that mine?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's one of
Okay,
yours.
so we got energy, 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 energy. Eevee,
Professor Colress.
Professor Colress,
Psychic
energy,
en-
and psychic energy, in trainer card, whatever that is.
Professor Trooper.
Professor Trooper, energy, special one, normal.
Ooh, those are rare.
Trick coin, shadow trick.
That I haven't seen this. It is. What? I don't know.
The Seeker,
Shadow Triad.
Eevee, Ultra Ball,
Hey, bro, it's
Magnemite.
Eevee. You love Eevee, don't
Magnemite,
you?
Team Pulse Ball, Controller Mission, Verbank City Gym,
Oh yeah, those are good.
Team plus Grunt,
Team plus Grunt.
Menemite, Energy. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot to say.
Ooh, Magnezone Plasma.
Magnezone Plasma, Sickles, Energy. Another one of those. This is the card I was talking about.
Giratina. I really love that bag.
Yeah,
This thing is awesome.
Yeah. I don't know. Ooh, Espeon. I can't ask for that.
Oh,
Yep,
an Espeon.
laser.
Speaking of Espeon,
Oh, well, this is an EX. This is a normal Espeon.
it's not an EX, it's a GX.
Oh yeah, I pulled a Espeon GX in the other video,
Oh,
and I just pulled another Espeon, but it's not.
Espeon is a pretty sweet.
Psychic Energy. Wait, who's that? Lasered. A lot of Pokemon in this deck. Crusler.
Rotom, Magnemite,
Magnemite.
Energy Retrieval,
Switch.
yeah,
Magnezone again. Psychic Energy. Professor's Letter. Another Eevee. Another Espeon.
in.
Ultra Ball. Team Blossom Grunt. Controller Mission. Oh, Jolteon.
You haven't pulled one of those in a while.
Professor Juniper. Magnemite.
Juniper.
Team Pulse Ball. Magneton. Hypno Laser.
Magnet.
Switch. Another one of those energies. And Psychic Energy.
Well, that's for Zapdos.
That's a lot. And
Dang.
this box looks cool.
Okay.
Here, I'll organize these with your Pokemon.
Yeah.
Okay. A normal Tiny Hollow Rare, maybe. I think. I don't know much about Pokemon.
Well, we're gonna end this video here. In the next video, T-Mart will be opening his Arcuno. See ya.